Hey everybody, welcome back. All right, so I ordered the new front hubs and through Hobbypark, and actually I got a good deal. So I got a 3-pack. So I got the rear hubs, I got the front knuckles for the steering, and the front C hubs, all in red anodized aluminum. So I'm going to go ahead and just swap out the back ones as well. So you didn't see it again. I got it from Hobbypark. All right, so and it looks like it even comes with new bearings, all the hardware that's needed, the screws. So everything I take off, I'm just going to set aside and save for later. And I'll go ahead and get started. So first thing, you need to remove the top of the old C hub. So as you can see, I already have the steering knuckle out. And take that out, and you can see there's a little screw in the back here. Get that a little closer. That is kind of blocking the pin for the bottom of the C hub. So I'm going to take that out as well. That's a really short screw. That's one of the other things I can set aside since I'm not going to need it for the install. Alright, once you got that, you got to take something small. I use a little nail. There's a little hole in the front. Gonna grab, push in, pops that pin out. And there you go. Pull the nail back out so I can use it later. Alright, and C hub is off. So now I can go to the new kit. Make sure I'm grabbing the correct one here. Alright. Sure, there's a little mark in here somewhere that says it's, yeah, there we go. It says left side, so you know you got the right side. And take the little hardware kit out. Now, one thing you might notice is you got two different sets of these long screwed pins. One's got a machine screw on it, the other one looks like a self-tapper. I'm not going to need machine screw ones, so I'm going to use the self-tapper ones, and with that I won't have to use this little retaining screw. So pop this in place. Put that in there, and I'm going to just do this by hand so I don't accidentally over torque it. Actually, you know what? I will use the drill so I can actually get some good pressure on it. But I have this thing on the lowest setting, so don't want to risk stripping it out. Alright, got that in. Now I'm going to turn the rest away by hand. So much for that. I don't have the proper size Allen wrench, so I'm just going to be very slow. There we go. So, bottom pin is in. Seems like it's got a little slack to it. Alright. Now to get the upper one in. I'm eventually going to get all new balls for it, but for right now, this is what I got. Oh, forgot one critical thing. Middle to metal, I want to use some Loctite. So, a little dab of the blue Loctite on here. There we are. Make sure that's nice and snug. All right. Now for the steering knuckles. Make sure I'm grabbing the correct one again here. There we go. Left side. And this comes with hardware as well, but two these bearings out. All right, got the two bearings here. Trying to press this into place here. There we are. One in the back. And since it comes with its own bearings, I'm not going to need these ones, so I'll save those for another day. All right. Seems like we got a little slop in there, so I'm going to have to try to get some shims for this. But for right now, I'll just finish with the install here. And I'll go back through and touch these up with some Loctite, but so you can get the gist of this and can move on to the back. There you are. Alrighty, there we go. Hobbypark front hubs, C-hub, and steering knuckle. So I'm going to stop this video and I'll do a second video for the rear end. I'll see you later. And don't forget to like and subscribe and click that bell if you want to follow my adventure with this Arrma Senton. Thank you.